Welcome to our last video in basic algebra. We are going to evaluate algebraic expressions by substitution. Read with me this question and let us do it together. A painter uses an expression 35h plus 30c to determine how much he charges for a job that takes h hours and c cans of paint. His last job required 3 cans of paint and took 15 hours to complete. How much did the painter charge? We are required to first of all take the expression for payment or charging, and then the letters h and c be substituted by this given job. For example, in the h or hours, we have 15 hours, and then of course the cans of paint, we have 3c. So we are going to substitute the values of h and c in the expression to get the total amount of money charged by the painter in that particular job. Solution. The expression 35h plus 30c that is the expression. And now remember that h stands for hours, and of course c stands for cans of paint. So in this case, the job that was done last by the painter, we had the cans of paint from the question were 3, and then of course the number of hours, that is time, was 15 hours. So we substitute the value of c and h in the expression and get the answer. So of course I am supposed to have reminded you that the cost or the total amount is supposed to be in US dollars, in dollars. So how do we substitute? So we write 35, then times h is 15, then plus 30 times 3 for c. 35 times 15, use your calculator well, you'll get 525. Then 30 times 3 is 90. If you total them, you're going to get 615. I have already said that the units for our answer shall be US dollars, 615. You can write this way or just say 615 US dollars. That is all about substitution method in solving algebraic expressions. It was nice having you on the board, so I hope you're going to continue following us, GED Mathematics in PrepSaret YouTube channel, and also visit our website prepsaret.com. See you in our next skill.